I'm Jordan McCool, and it's time to ask the attorney your question. I'm here with attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. Hi, John. Thanks for joining us.
Hi, Jordan. Always nice to be here. Thank you.
So today's question comes from Susan. My husband was injured when another company's truck backed into him on his loading dock and severely damaged his hand. He is receiving workman's comp benefits, but it is just not enough. Is there any options above and beyond these benefits?
Yes, we can help you, and even though it may be insufficient for now, somewhere down the road we will be able to compensate your husband dramatically as a result of this accident. Workers' compensation pays 60% of your lost weekly wages based upon the two highest quarters of your income during the course of the year. And under workers' compensation laws, you don't have to prove negligence on anybody's part. Simply an injury on the job qualifies you for workers' compensation. However, in addition to that, you have what's called a third-party claim here. And you should be quite pleased about this because the party who was at fault in causing this accident did not work for the same company as your husband. So that gives us the right to pursue a claim against the other driver and his company. I can assure you that a personal injury claim will qualify for far greater monetary award than a workers' compensation case.
So when could he expect to see the compensation? I mean, how long does it typically take for these third-party claims to go through? Would it happen quick enough for them to maybe coincide so we could get more compensation, or how does that work?
Regrettably, the answer to your question is no. A typical personal injury case takes an absolute minimum of 10 months to a year, and that's for the client's protection. In order to pursue these cases properly, in my view and the view of my law firm, we need to know the long-term effects, the full extent of the injury. We want to know whether there's a permanent injury as a result, and we won't know that until the doctor advises. Typically, that's not for at least 10 months to a year from the date of the accident.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your insight and your advice on this case. And to ask the attorney your question, you can either call 1-800-HAYMOND or you can email asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com.